For years, the rule book for retirement was simple. You bought gold and silver to hold the line. They were the safe haven, the emergency brake you pulled when the stock market got shaky. But recently, the rule book didn't just change, it was rewritten. We've moved past the era of mere preservation and entered a period of unprecedented momentum. We've seen gold charge past the $5,000 mark and silver skyrocket past $100. For the first time in decades, the conversation for retirement savers may be shifting. It's no longer just about playing defense. It's about the massive growth potential these physical assets can bring to a diversified portfolio. According to macroeconomist Peter C. Earle, with gold crossing the once unthinkable threshold of $5,000 per ounce and silver decisively breaking above $100, the precious metals complex has entered a qualitatively different phase, one best understood not as a speculative spike, but as structural repricing. Now, you might see these historic milestones and think you've missed the move. But many seasoned market analysts suggest this may just be the beginning. Think about the forces at play. We're seeing a global flight to safety and massive central bank demand. Monetary experts like Jim Rickards are now looking toward a future where $10,000 gold and $200 silver aren't just possibilities, they're the projected targets by the end of 2026. Now, before we dig into the data behind those numbers, if you want to understand how these shifts impact your specific retirement strategy, Goldco has put together a free 2026 gold and silver kit. It's a clear, data-driven guide designed for this new era. Just call the number on your screen right now or click the link in the description below to get your copy. So why is this happening now? According to reports from Reuters and Yahoo Finance, we're witnessing a debasement trade. Investors are moving into tangible assets to protect themselves against the erosion of purchasing power as government debt continues to climb worldwide. Add that to the uncertainty of upcoming elections and overvalued equity markets, and you have a perfect storm. As analysts at the Brookings Institution have noted, this rise in precious metals is breathtaking and is part of something much bigger than a simple market fluctuation. The old rules of economy look to be losing their grip. So if you're planning for retirement, you cannot afford to ignore the fact that the window to position yourself for this potential growth is narrowing. More people are realizing that the strategy they used 10 years ago might not protect them today. At Goldco, we've helped thousands of Americans move over $3 billion into gold and silver. We don't just provide metals, we provide the clarity you need to navigate this new era with confidence. If you'd like to learn more, Goldco makes it easy to get oriented. When you request your free 2026 gold and silver kit today, you can also see if you qualify for an instant match of up to 10% in bonus silver or gold on qualifying orders. Just call the number on your screen or click the link in the description below. The numbers have changed, the era has changed. The only question left is, has your strategy changed to match?